open.
Oh my God.
There you go. We love you.
VDM.
So that we do not send a wrong signal. Only Bobrisky is claiming to be untouchable.
Yes. VDM is happy. They say Bobrisky is untouchable. He's claiming to be untouchable. He's claiming to be untouchable.
Put your services in very bad light. And this young man, even though his speech is very is unbecoming, I do not support the way you have spoken here. But let this young man not use us to shine. We must do the proper thing. Bobrisky should be addressed, issues should be addressed properly. If the man says, I talked about Bobrisky, and the Bobrisky, please, I want him to be here so that you hear what I will say.
Bobrisky be brought here.
My dear colleagues,
so I'm not saying anything why I'm here, and Bobrisky will not be here. Now, my lawyer will be the one to talk, and I will not say a word, because I will not want to walk out on the people that are holding on to my father. So I won't say anything until Bobrisky is here, and the EFCC chairman is here. Thank you very much.
Number two, I'm just echoing what we are discussing. Number two, he's saying that he has not said he's not going to speak. At least we came prepared, we came with almost everything that is needed by this committee here. We have even come with additional evidence that is not even available online. We have come with everything. So he's not saying, I don't want to assist the committee, I don't want to talk. He's saying because that person who should be here, who is not here, who has sent a lawyer to represent he or she, that he is not going to talk directly, that he's going to talk to his counsel. That's just all he's saying, and nothing more.
In addition, I would like to say, the man from my state, he said if I don't speak, they will move immigration to the table. I will not mind being no. I will not mind, okay, let me say sorry, please. And also, in the voice notes, Bobrisky said something about the Godfather. So it's obvious that there's a Godfather somewhere that might maybe told him not to come, and nothing will happen because he has disrespected everybody here by not coming, and you are trying to force me to talk, and you are already throwing me the 2 threats that you detain me. I was staying in the cell, and this is not my first time, it's not my second time. So I'll go and stay there until he's ready. But for now, I will not say anything. If I say anything, let me die.
Indeed.
You are asking somebody to meet you in court when your own brother, a lawyer, has openly accepted to have a knowledge of a conspiracy to commit crime against Nigerian prisons. Your brother has accepted has confirmed that he has knowledge of a conspiracy to commit a crime at the EFCC. And you are now saying, meet us in court. Where did Kemi Falana, where did you get your certificate from? For many years, that Femi Falana was snubbed and omitted from the list of the SAN of Nigeria, we had the belief that he was being maltreated because of his association with Fela Ransom Kuti. And the federal government always come out fighting that SAN is only by merit. It is not a chieftaincy title. That you can lede or any ọba bí o lè lọ sọ́dọ̀ ọba Ṣakí kó sọ fún wípé ó fẹ́ dọ́ba ó mọ̀ á fún ẹ lọ́ba àmì ó lè fún ẹ lẹ́nìtìn tó bá wù ó lè gba igbákejì as long as you have money. The federal government insisted that SAN position is only by merit. So eventually when Femi Falana became an SAN, we now believe, okay, he's already got the merit to become the SAN. But the issue that is perambulating now, that is refusing to go, is making me to wonder, did he deserve the SAN or was he purchased? Let me tell you why I'm asking this question. I'm asking this question based on what his children over this Bobrisky issue have said. One of his children, Folakemi, said, meet us at in the courthouse. Ejo, did she actually qualify to be a lawyer? Or it was given, or it was bought? Because, we now know that it is easy to buy pardon from the presidency. So, did she buy a certificate, or did she actually go to school? And was she actually called to the bar? Then, if it is true, then shame on Nigerian Bar Association. It is unfortunate because I know good lawyers. I want to be lawyer Alfredo Adegoke, Akoniwaju Adájọ́. I want to be lawyer Adetula. I want to be lawyer Adekunle Ayemoyan. Gbogbo àwọn wọ̀nyí, I know good lawyers. Tó bá jẹ́ MBA, Nigerian Bar Association ló fún ẹ, then it's a shame. Torí èmi gan tí ò lọ léèwé, I know that when you have already accepted to have a knowledge of a crime being committed, it is conspiracy. Nílùú tèmi ń gbé. We have problem in Nigeria. Most of you are saying we want to go and demonstrate. False. Omo Falana were one of the people spearheading protest. Meanwhile, they will be leading you to your death and be doing other things underneath. Don't go out and lose your life. These people know how they do padi thing. Elaboru, elaboye, elaboye, boshishe, aonikuku. You are asking somebody to meet you in court